So as you can see, got myself a whitey Jeffsy, and I'm, to be honest, blown away by his performance. Now, a few weeks ago I took it on a mountain bike tour, 40 kilometers, and had no problem keeping up. Steep up climbs, no worries, wheels just stuck to the ground. Handled it very well, to be honest. Downhill, same story. You know, it's so well composed. 140mm up front, 140mm Monarch on the back, and the Monarch and the Pike just worked like a dream. I'm really happy with it so far. The only disappointment is the reverb stealth dropper post. Now, for some reason when it gets cold, it just gets stuck in the down position and does not come up. Going to bring it to the bike shop, see what those guys have to say, but otherwise, you know, for the price and the bits and pieces you get on it, the GX gears, the turbine crank, race face turbine, stem and steer, you know, the wheels, you just can't complain about it. Good bit of equipment. Not too heavy either, 13 something kgs. You know, you don't really need to get the carbon, the aluminium is perfect. Yeah, stoked on it.